Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 BMW F700GS low seat. This thing is in fantastic shape, only 18,800 miles. It's got all the extras you need. Heated grips. It's got a V-Stream windshield. It's got running lights, engine guards, hand guards. It's got a handlebar extension and that awesome expandable BMW quick release locking luggage. Tires are fantastic. The thing runs great. Beautiful silver metallic paint. Come on by. Make your BMW adventure dreams come true. This ABS equipped 700GS, only $49.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.